Okay, now we just need to decorate. Okay, so writing up here, I'll just write, I'll write be mine. Okay, and then remember we have all these hearts. So we'll take some of these hearts and just kind of place them around. Put some royal icing behind there. And just kind of put them at different angles. You don't want everything at the same angle. And let's see. I'd love to put one here. Let's see. That would be super cute. Let's see if it stays. We could just ruin the whole card right now. Probably the best way to get that to stay would be white chocolate. Or you could do that ahead of time. Then it's kind of hard to work with it. I'll let that one sit, and then I want to place one of these up there too. Okay. Let's see. We don't really have to use all of these. Maybe just this one down here. Just do a little bit of decoration, just doing little lines. I think that's staying pretty well. Of course, once I get the weight of this on, who knows what's going to happen. Okay, so the last finishing touch was the candy corn because we need a little bit of pink down here at the base. So we'll just kind of throw some of these on here around the back. Like I said, just to kind of get that pink in there. Have one maybe back over here next to the heart. And whoa, just flying all over the place. Maybe just one like that. And yeah, I think that's good. There you go, a cute little Valentine card for your Valentine.